Hello class, how are you? I hope everyone is great today. Students, in our today's meeting, we will still discuss about analytical exposition text. Especially, we are going to deepen our understanding about its language features. Siswa sekalian, di pertemuan kita kali ini, kita masih akan melanjutkan pembelajaran kita tentang analytical exposition text. Khususnya kita akan memperdalam pemahaman kita tentang unsur-unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan di dalam teks eksposisi analitis. Alright students, now I would like to remind you about some language features that are usually used in analytical exposition text. The first is the use of descriptive persuasive words, such as obvious, convincing. The next one is the use of present tense, like she eats and they study. The use of mental verbs, the examples are think, believe, agree. The use of saying words, for instance, the report says and the research indicates. The use of connecting words, such as firstly, furthermore, and from the fact above. And also the use of causal conjunctions like because and due to. Para siswa, kita akan mengingat kembali unsur-unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan di dalam analytical exposition text. Yang pertama adalah penggunaan kata-kata yang meyakinkan atau persuasive words. Misalnya obvious dan juga convincing. Kemudian penggunaan present tense. Contohnya, she eats, they study. Selain itu, penggunaan mental verbs. Contohnya think, believe, agree. Kemudian ada juga penggunaan saying words. Misalnya, the report says, the research indicates. Ada juga penggunaan connecting words atau kata-kata penghubung. Misalnya, firstly, furthermore, from the fact above. Selain itu, ada juga penggunaan causal conjunction atau konjungsi sebab akibat. Contohnya because, due to. Okay everyone, now please look at this example of analytical exposition text. We'll try to find out what the language features that are used in this text. First, please look at the word think. The word think here can be categorized as a mental verb. And then the words with the yellow color, like most important, more favorable, and obvious, are categorized as persuasive words. While the phrases, the key which opens, and everybody needs indicate that this text is using present tense. The last one, please look at the words with the red color. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, and from the fact above. All of these words are categorized as connecting words. Baiklah siswa sekalian, sekarang kita akan melihat satu contoh teks analytical exposition. Kita akan mencoba menemukan unsur-unsur kebahasaan apa saja yang digunakan di dalam teks ini. Yang pertama, kita lihat di sini ada kata think. Kata think di sini bisa dikategorikan sebagai mental verb. Kemudian kata-kata yang berwarna kuning, ada most important, more favorable, dan juga obvious. Kata-kata ini bisa dikategorikan sebagai persuasive words. Sedangkan kata-kata yang berwarna ungu, the key which opens, everybody needs, mengindikasikan bahwa teks ini menggunakan present tense. Sedangkan kata-kata yang berwarna merah di sini seperti firstly, secondly, thirdly, dan from the fact above mengindikasikan bahwa teks ini menggunakan connecting words. Jadi, unsur-unsur kebahasaan atau language features yang digunakan di dalam contoh teks ini adalah the use of mental verbs, the use of persuasive words, the use of present tense, dan the use of connecting words. Alright class, now it's time for you to do the little exercise. Here, you are going to read a passage. The title is Smoking in Restaurants. What are you going to do next? Yeah, you need to identify at least 3 language features that are used in this text by rewriting the phrases or the sentences that you found in the text. Oke, sekarang saatnya untuk kalian mengerjakan satu latihan. Kalian akan membaca satu teks yang berjudul Smoking in Restaurants. Kemudian, kalian akan mengidentifikasi paling sedikit 3 unsur kebahasaan yang dipakai di dalam teks ini dengan cara menuliskan kembali phrases ataupun kalimat yang kalian temukan di teks ini. Contohnya, misalnya kalian menemukan the use of present tense. Kalian perlu menuliskan phrases atau kalimat mana yang mengindikasikan bahwa teks ini menggunakan present tense. Begitu. Okay. Can you understand? That's good. Let's try. Thank you everyone.